Hello. Welcome to channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. And yes, NFP is over. And after NFP, we saw a good amount of volatility. If you were also trading or observing the data, then probably you must have noticed that when the market, not market open, when the news was out, so initially gold started going down. To be honest, I had positions both sides of the market. So initially my sell stop was triggered, and when market recovered immediately, I was in loss. I had to exit. But yes, as I said, I had positions both sides. So after a few seconds or after 1 minute, I guess, when I saw that my buy stop was triggered, then my loss was recovered and ultimately I could make some money. But ultimately, the market closing was important for us, and yes, we can see the market close above the important level of 4500, and this is a good sign for us because closing below 4500 was bad because the market would have stayed sideways in the coming week. But closing above 4500 is indicating that next week market will be heading towards 4550. So we can consider the market to be more or less bullish. So I won't say extremely bullish, but yes, overall the trend of the market is bullish. So we need to plan our trades accordingly. This is a daily chart of gold in front of us, and on the daily chart we can clearly see the market is bullish. Nothing much to discuss here. Obviously, a retracement would have been better, but right now we can see that there is no sign of retracement here, so we can expect the market to continue the bull run here. And if you're a swing trader or if you're a position trader and if you have any ongoing buy right now, you can hold your buy position with trailing stop losses. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold rises after weaker than expected jobs data. Gold prices rise after the latest US data showed the labor market ended last year on a soft note, with job gains cooling in December and the unemployment rate falling to 4.4%. Gold rebounds after jobs data. Gold rose around 0.3% to above 4490 per ounce, pairing early losses as softer US labor data reinforced expectations for Fed rate cuts this year. I'm not going in detail. If you're looking for a little bit of a detailed information, check out the post that I wrote in the Telegram community. So if you're still not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description for timely updates. And my dear friends, before I proceed, I have a big announcement to make. As you can see on the screen, 2026 FASTBULL Gold Demo Trading Contest is about to start soon. Registration has already started, only 9 days left, and the registration will end on 28th of January. You can see already a big number of participants, more than 1 lakh participants have already registered. So it's going to be a big one because there is a total award of 23,500 US dollars. The first prize winner will get $6,000 VT market cash prize. The second prize winner will get a $3,000 live account. The third prize winner will get a $2,000 live account. And you can see there will be a total 20 winners. All the 20 winners will be paid. So feel free to join. And the most important part here is the contest rules. You will come across all the information. The most important information will be under point number 4, trading rules. You can see initial funds that will be allotted will be $100,000. Leverage you'll get is 400x. Stop out level 100%. And as it's a gold trading contest, so you can only trade on gold, and commission you need to pay per lot will be $2.5, and you can trade from 0.01 to 1.00 lot, means 1 cent a lot. Maximum open orders 10 lots, not 10 lots, 10 orders including pending orders, meaning a maximum of 10 active orders can be held at once. So it's a long list of information, so you can go through all this so that you can participate and win the cash prices. Okay, so my dear friends, feel free to register yourself. Okay, because if you win, okay, it can change a lot of things. Okay, and the link is in the description. Feel free to check out FastBull's demo trading contest, and yeah, you can also challenge me. I'm also there. I'll be watching you. Now, let's discuss day trading opportunities for Monday. As I said, if you're a swing trader or position trader, if you are holding buy, you can hold your buy position. And if you are holding your sell position, okay, then you need to be careful because gold is fundamentally bullish. To be honest, the highest amount of money that I have seen traders making are all gold buyers. Gold is fundamentally bullish. You can just look at the trend of the market. Okay, and as I said, okay, highest amount of money that I have seen making traders were all gold buyers. Plus, okay, they are not day traders or scalpers. Okay, they just hold their buys. Okay, so you can also try that. Okay, but if you are holding any sell right now, you need to be careful because if gold continues the upside, you need to exit. Okay, and if you are a day trader like me, then obviously you need to stick to the levels, and the market opening is going to play a major role for us. So as you can see that I have drawn many lines here, so let me discuss one by one. So first and foremost, the most important level or the strongest level on the chart of gold is around 44602 to 4465. The blue box that you see here is the strongest support on the chart of gold, but chances of market coming down to this support zone is very less. But if anything crazy happens on Monday or Tuesday, if market drops, this is a support, okay, where we can look for a buy position. Above this, okay, we have a support around 4484 to 82. This is also a support zone, okay, where we can look for a buy position if market drops tomorrow. Not tomorrow, okay, on Monday. On Monday, okay, if there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, because gold is full of surprises, okay, usually we don't see much volume at the market opening, but if there is volume and if you see market is coming down, then around 4484 area, we can look for a buy position. Observe the market. If you see the market is taking support, just smash the buy button. And just like yesterday, okay, if market breaks also, do not sell immediately because there is a possibility that after some SL hunting, yes, after some SL hunting, market may come up. So be careful. So if you see the market is going down, wait patiently. When market will be up again, you can hit the buy button once market crosses 448384. So 448384 is a strong support zone for us where we can look for a buy position. Even if market breaks it, we will wait patiently. After SL hunting, when market will be coming up, we will buy there. 446560, the blue box here is the strongest support, but chances of market coming down to this level is very less. Okay, you can see I have also marked another support here, 4493. Yeah, 4493 is also a minor support zone. If market comes down with low volume, छोटे volume के साथ, कम volume के साथ अगर market नीचे आता है, then obviously we can also look for buy around 4493, 4494 area as well. Okay. The red line on the middle is the level of 4500, our psychological support. So there also you can expect the market to take support. So if market comes down, observe the market around this area. If market takes support, it should take support. Okay, around 4500, 449798 area, we can look for a support here as well. Okay, then you can see we also have a minor support around 4504. 4504 is a very weak support. If you see the market has opened with very low volume coming down with small candles, then you can expect the market to bounce from 4504 area. Okay, otherwise 4500, 449798 is the best level. So on the chart of gold, we have so many levels. So if market comes down, okay, these are the levels where we can look for a buy position. We are not looking for any sell position after the market opening if market comes down, because overall the trend of the market is bullish. The direction of the market is bullish. Again repeating, 446065 is the best support, but far away. We have also good support around 44, 85, 82, 83 area. If market comes down, we can look for a buy. If market breaks also, we will not sell. After some SL hunting, we will look for a buy above 4484. If market comes down with low volume, we can look for support around 44, 93, 94 area, this dotted line here. Okay. If volume is very low, these levels are far away, we will look for immediate support around 4500, 449798. If market takes support, bang, we will buy. Okay. We also have a minor, a very weak support of 4504. Okay. So we are looking for a quick bounce of 40-50 pips there as well. Market open hone ke baad, if you see market is taking support around 4504, you can look for a buy for 40-50 pips. Okay, quick 40-50 pips after market opening is not bad, isn't it? Now, if market goes up, then what? Okay. If market goes up, then we can look for a buy above 4513. But my dear friend, around 4517 market may face resistance. So after buying above 4513, do not expect a huge upset unless good volume comes. If market goes up with small candles, low volume, then it may be a bull run, not bull run. Okay, it may be an upside of just 40 to 50 pips only. That's it. Okay, so you can look for buy above 4513 if market goes up, but be careful. Okay, and observe the market around 4517. If volume is low, then it will be difficult for the market to cross 4517 immediately. And around 4517, okay, right now we are not looking for any breakout scenario here because volume is important. Let's wait and watch how does the market open. In case market shows heavy volume, good volume, big green candles, then you can look for a buy above this candle as well. Okay, but as of now, okay, we do not have any news also. And yes, stay in touch with the news. Any news during the weekend will have a direct impact on Monday. Okay, so many levels. Okay, so many things we have discussed right now, you must be puzzled up. Okay, feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. Okay, and please hit the like button. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.